When we design a PCB, placing a pad is not enough. What really matters is how shoulder behave during assembly. Three layers control this behavior: copper, shoulder paste, and shoulder mask. If these layers are not designed correctly, we can face issues like poor shoulder joints, shoulder bridges, or probing problems. So in this video, we will understand how these layers work together using a real 0603 resistor pad and a test point directly inside Altium Designer. So let's start by understanding the basic difference between a normal component pad and the test point. This is a standard 0603 resistor pad. On the top copper layer, the copper pad defines where the component terminal will be shouldered. Every other layer, paste and mask, is designed relative to this copper pad. Now let's look at the top paste layer. Paste define how much shoulder is deposited during flow. Here the paste opening is exactly the same size as the pad. In Altium, this is called zero paste expansion, and it's the correct setting for most resistors and capacitors. Next is the shoulder mask layer. You can see the opening is larger than both the copper and the paste. This ensures the pad is fully exposed and prevents shoulder mask from interfering with shoulder wetting. Now let's look at the test point pad. The copper size may look similar, but the purpose is different. For test point, the top paste is negative, meaning no shoulder paste is applied. This is intentional. A shoulder bump would make electrical probing difficult and unreliable. The shoulder mask still opens around the pad to keep copper accessible, but paste is fully blocked. This gives us a clean, flat copper surface for testing. So remember this simple rule: component pad needs shoulder, test points do not. So by correctly setting paste and mask layer, we ensure both reliable shouldering and reliable testing. Thank you.